All right, folks, another pick and swing. All right, YouTube. So I was dropping the kids off to school in the pickup truck, so I had Jeff's bringing a rotator here. OSP's here now. The customer called it in. This got 40,000 pounds in it. He's in there pretty good. But Jeff's bringing me a rotator. Your brakes set?
Yeah.
Okay. That was a little scary, wasn't it?
Scary.
Yeah. Where are you trying to get to?
Right, like 3 miles down the street. My 90, what's the name of it again? Yeah, yep. Can you grab the remote for me on the other side? Thank you.
We gotta fix that. Did you talk to him about that?
I did.
Okay.
I told him he can give his company a call. They've got our numbers, but I did give him our phone number.
Okay. I'm gonna do it, or I'll have you do it. I usually don't trust drivers to do that in those situations.
Pull the chains?
Yep. Pull forward some. I'm gonna move your truck, get you straightened out.
Okay. Off the code to start.
What's that?
Off the code.
Oh, you gotta have a code, okay. Another customer.
All you had to do is follow the detour, but no!
We got another customer waiting.
I want to spend money! All right.
All right, appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
Hey, no problem.
All right, little update, everybody. I'm gonna put this at the end of a wind chop video. So we've been pretty slow the last couple weeks, actually. We got our 4th rollback last week. Jeff brought that back from Atlanta. It's just a basic, same chassis that we have on the other one, Century M2, or Freightliner M2. Century 12 series. And then it just so happened a couple days after we found that, there was one in Oregon that just became available that's tricked out and has a side puller and the auto grip like all the other ones. So it looks like we might be getting rid of that one that we just got and trying to get that one out in Oregon. So probably by the end of the week, send somebody out there to get that. That's gonna be a long drive. So then we'll have 4, 3 of them will have the side puller and everything, and then eventually we'll probably trade off that other one and get one so they're all completely matching Century 12,000 pound bed, side puller, auto grip, all that stuff. So out here in the shop, Christian and Trent are out on a tow right now. Been kind of slow, like I said. Everything else is parked here. Little update on myself. I don't want to get too personal, I guess, with stuff, but you might see I'm gonna end up having a scar here on my neck. I have some cancer that I have to get removed from. I'll be able to see in here. Anyways, got to get that cut out. I don't think I'll be out very long. Hopefully, might just be in the hospital for a day or two, and then there's some sort of radioactive type treatment to do after that. So I still plan on being around. I won't. I'm a stubborn human. I won't take much time, even though I probably should, but I'll be here. I can run a remote even if my neck's all stitched up. So I'm not sure. Like I said, it's going to be on the one side. They might have to take some on the left side too. So it's kind of hoping I end up with like a Frankenstein scar. I'll get some bolts tattooed on my neck. Thought that'd be kind of cool looking. So I got to get that done here hopefully soon. I got to go to Ohio State in 2 weeks to meet with the surgeon. So hopefully they do it pretty soon after that. And then I have some other personal stuff going on. I won't talk about that, but that's also pretty stressful and I guess affects my mood. So if I come across as short in some of the videos or agitated, I think I'm a pretty easygoing guy most of the time. It's just a lot of things happening. So, and I get stuck with, I don't want to share my personal stuff, I guess, with thousands of people, but at the same time, the whole point of this channel is to, it's a 100% authentic look into what this occupation is about and how still got stuff to do even if life's happening. So we'll still get the job done. Christian and Trent and James and Matt and Tigger, even with me potentially being out for a little bit, but I'll still be here doing something. But yeah, just that update. Like I said, I don't know when the surgery is going to be. Hopefully soon. Meet with them in a couple weeks, and I don't think it'll affect content creation. I guess it feels weird saying that, content creation. I'm a content creator. Still weird. 10 months into this, 77,000 subscribers, I think it is. So was hoping to get 100,000 by the end of the year. That's what my son Christopher was hoping to do. So that would be cool. Subscribers has slowed way down, but still way more than I ever expected. So thank you for watching. Oh, I also got new shirts made. Got these hoodies. Where's it at? Over here. See in the back. And I'm getting some different hats made. There's stuff on the YouTube store, but these are getting made locally. So if anybody wants one, get a hold of me. These are Carhartt hoodies, so they're actually, kind of expensive, but I'm not looking to make $1 million off of it. Just, I don't want it to cost me money, basically. So if you want one, get a hold of me. Thanks.